Hey guys, hopefully you all are having a wonderful day. Today we are going to discuss how you are going to set up a cold email campaign if you are a beginner. So we will be trying to cover each and every step that is involved in launching the campaigns and then effectively how you can manage your campaigns. So first and foremost thing is you need to get some domains. So these domains will be secondary domains that will be similar to your brand name. You can utilize ChatGPT to create alternative domain names, 50 domains, whatever domains you want to create, you can create. So, and the recommended thing is try to get .com domain, and before .com you can use some keywords that are related to service and your brand name. So you can do that. You can get it from GoDaddy. And the second step is you can set up workspaces. So here this is the most important step because these two come under infrastructure setup, and once you set up the workspaces you can utilize Google Workspaces, you can utilize Microsoft inboxes, Microsoft Outlook inboxes. So if you're going for a Google Workspace, you can get one workspace, and under one workspace you can have three domains, and in those three domains you need to create three users. So this actually depends. You can create two users as well, but the recommended steps are one workspace, three domains, and three users across on each domain. So you can create as many workspaces as possible, but I would appreciate or I would recommend you do not create users on your original workspace. So there is no bottleneck or no downfall to creating the email accounts on your official workspace, but I would recommend have a separate workspace, and you would have separate workspaces across for if you have, let's say, 20 domains or whatever domains you want to set up Google Workspaces. So you would, what you need to do is one workspace, three domains on those workspace, and three users on each domain. Now what I would recommend is try to set up, let's say if you have 10 domains, try to set up 7 domains on Google Workspaces and 3 domains on Microsoft Outlook inboxes. So this way you will have the balance of Google and Microsoft, and you would be able to know this thing will going to help you in longer term. Now, if you cannot buy the Google Workspaces because it is cheap, so it is expensive, you can go for cheaper alternatives. There are some resellers out there uh, who can help you get the Google Workspace at the cheaper price, that is $3 or whatever dollars per inbox. So this is very, very, very useful when you try to outreach on a master scale. So uh, few resellers. There is one f60host.com, and there is one Zapmail or whatever name it is, and instantly has its DFI service, which is done for you. So what it will happen is it will you have to buy the domains on in instantly and email accounts on instantly. So you will give them the first name, last name, and you will buy some domains, and they will create and connect for you. So this is also a very, very, very handy approach, and you can do that. So I also have a reseller in the Google Doc, and you can get that Google Doc. I will pin. So it is in my bio. The document is pinned there, and I can also put it down here in the description, so you can find it there. So you will warm up the inboxes for. So most of the people do it for 14 days, but the problem is if you have a new domain, brand new domain, and you got it recently, what you can do is you can warm up for 30 days. It will help you to actually, actually help you to mature your domain's IP. So this is very, very handy. You can warm up for 14 days, you can still get away with it. But as long as you warm up, the better it will be for the deliverability in the longer run. So this thing covers the infrastructure stuff. Now you will go towards the next step, which is write sequences and build lead list. So these first you have to build the lead list, and then you will have to write the sequences. So the lead list, you can utilize some tools out there which are Apollo, or instantly has a lead finder, or there are a lot of other tools. If you can handpick the leads, if you can hire a VA to get the leads, that would be awesome. Or if you can do it yourself, that would be awesome as well. So you will need to build a lead list. Lead list is one of the most important aspect in this campaign. If you are able to build a relevant lead list that actually needs your product, and for that you actually need to know your audience. Who do you serve? Who are the most likely people who can buy the product from you? Who are the most likely people who are facing the problem that you are solving? That could include job titles, and that could include stuff like industry, and you can go towards the Apollo filters, and that can help you niche down to your ICP. So once you build the lead list, then you will write the sequences are also the important as well. How you write the sequences, keep it simple. And I would recommend you to keep it simple. And once you keep it simple, by keeping it as simple, I mean, uh, first, if you are trying out different stuff, try to keep it simple by having an email which is under 100 words. Let's say hi, first name, write one personalized line, and then write three lines in which you will have your offer, how you help them, and you will have your case study, and then write a simple CTA. So this will be enough for you to test out that whether it works or not, and that's it. So you can also use instantly to manage the replies and stuff. And once the campaign is launched, you will receive the replies. If you will receive the replies, then you will use instantly Unibox to actually manage the replies, reply to the leads and stuff. And then you will need to monitor the data and adapt accordingly. If it's working, you can definitely scale, and if it's not working, you can definitely not scale. So this is you will definitely change. So this is, I think, everything that I have covered. And the thing is that, let's say if you are starting with uh, 15 domains, I would recommend you to use 10 domains in the campaigns and keep 5 domains in the backup. Backup is very, very, very important, because at some point, what will happen, your domains is going to burn. This is the reality. It will happen, and you need to be prepared for that. So this is everything, and I think I have covered everything. Let me know if it makes sense to you, and we will discuss. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and we will discuss. Thank you, and have a nice day.